probably $1 billion worth of car that comes through McLaren Special Operations every year. MSO is the bespoke division of McLaren Automotive, where we also preserve and enhance every McLaren we've ever built. From Bruce's first road car vision, the M6 GT, to the McLaren F1 road car, right the way up to present-day W1. From a small signature on the headrest of an Artura to a fully one-off bespoke coach-built full carbon fibre example.
Bruce McLaren.
Tremendous enthusiasm for any project in which he becomes involved.
Another big dollar deal for Britain.
You've got to be able to move quickly. Do it well as getting it done.
But we've never opened the doors like this. MSO started as general support for the McLaren F1 road car, a service centre similar to the service centre Bruce McLaren started out in. They laid the foundations for what it is today.
People did come back right in the early days with F1 and ask us to do various customisation things. For example, the HDK, the high downforce kit on F1, was done through customer care division right from the mid-90s.
These conversations are what started MSO.
You really have 3 decades worth of experience based around McLaren, and whether that's being executed in a contrast stitch on a steering wheel or a full restoration on an F1, you're getting that same level of expertise. The team here are the centre of competence. When you have put into your hands on behalf of a client a vehicle that is worth, in excess of 20-30 million, the team that are working on these products have such a deep level of competence that for them, dare I say, it's another day in the office.
All the gold on the F1 is here for heat purposes, so it's to reflect heat back. You don't want to waste any of this, and you also you want it to look perfect. Any car that's in here, we all take really personally.
Nothing can replace that lineage of a team that have transferred the knowledge by word of mouth, that were there when those first cars went out the door, worked with those first clients.
We work day to day with our technical fabrics, but we've recently just had one of our high-profile clients commission a one-of-one interior all in cashmere. We've got analysts constantly scanning the luxury industry and are looking far beyond automotive realms. I truly feel that we're at the intersection of these changing tastes.
The breadth of materials we use is vast. Carbon fibre, that's been part of the McLaren story for 40 years.
The base layup of this car is the same to the painted panel, but the first cloth that goes down is a visual carbon twill cloth. Yeah, it's very time consuming. If you look at all of the compound curves on this car, all of the shut lines, I mean, we really push it. The car's got herringbone all the way down the centre, which makes the car even harder to lay up. And like I say, if there's weave distortions or problems in it like that, it can't be fixed. So a new panel has to be made.
One of my favourite quotes about Bruce is that his team very often reported that they didn't work for him, they worked with him.
He spends a lot more time on the shop floor than a lot of bosses would. Does this upset people?
No, it doesn't.
He takes an interest in all of us.
He allows you to be a person and work as a person, as an individual.
Yeah, he can show anybody how to do anything.
You feel exactly that same collaboration amongst the team.
Being lucky enough to work on an M6, you can see the mindset of that car, and you can see the mindset in the F1, and you can see the mindset of current McLaren models.
Restoration has become a huge part of what we do here at MSO. We have an archive room with 20,000 drawings. By restoring and rebuilding and constantly looking for new parts, we are able to make sure that we can keep these cars on the road more or less indefinitely. We're finding that there are 2 types of owner. So the owner who purely invests, but the owner who uses the car and wants to enjoy it and treat it like it was meant to be treated.
Brave people. Having that lineage of a team that were yesterday working on restoring an F1 and today are working on actually creating your bespoke W1, for me is something you will not find anywhere else.
Every client that we get through for a W1 will go through a session with a bespoke relationship manager. Once they start seeing possibilities through the configurator and through the sessions, they will then see how the car looks with different paints, different materials, different finishes, and then they get really excited and it sort of like goes from there.
All of us, we really care about the client journey. Everything is personalised to the client's preference.
Quite often, us relationship managers will quickly get our phone out and say, oh, I've just seen this new development that's come in, and send them a quick WhatsApp. So it is on a really personal level. When you actually see the car in person, it's amazing and it's really exciting.
Some of the cars that we work on are our clients' first McLaren, some are their 50th, but they all get absorbed in the process. At MSO, we believe they should be driven, enjoyed, and tailored to the last stitch.
The revolutionary features that catch the imagination, innovation and attention to detail that's become the hallmark of McLaren.
Behind the scenes is MSO here in Woking, England.
The cars that are being conceived in this room will be the celebrities of tomorrow.